In this video, I'm going to answer another question which we received from a potential user of Adaptable or AG Grid extension, which is whether it's possible to use custom CSS styles inside Adaptable's formatting and conditional styling. So I explain what that means. So typically when you create a format column or a conditional style in Adaptable, like we've got here, you do it using the style object that Adaptable provides. So for instance, if we edit this one and we go to style, we can see they've chosen form back colors. We can see that you can select font styles, decorations, size, border radius, cell alignment, etc, etc. But this user wanted to know whether it was possible to use their own CSS styles, and in fact it is, and there's a demo here which shows it. Let me go full screen and let me show the code. And we can see that in these, actually let's start here. We can see that we've provided two styles in the CSS, one called red number and one called blue text. And then we can also see that in Adaptable Options, we've created one format column for all numbers that show red number and another one for these two columns that show the blue text. So that's done at runtime, in fact, at design time, but in fact you can do it at runtime. So for instance, if I was very quickly to go into format column, if I was to suspend them all, we can now recreate them. So for instance, I can go into here, I can say I want all numbers and I want my style. Now, because here we've passed in the styles in our user interface option, they're now available for the runtime user to select. So a drop down appears, and I can do red number and finish, and I can do the second one. This time I think we said it was going to be name and language. Again, I can go into style. Again, I have the drop down. This time I will choose the blue text. And now when I finish, we can see these two are the blue text and all the numeric columns are using that CSS style. So there we are. We provided the CSS styles ourselves, and then we were able to reference them both at design time and runtime. So I hope that answers that question. If you'd like to learn more about Adaptable, about conditional styling, format columns, or anything else, please get in touch. We'd be delighted to provide you with your own one-to-one personalized demo, or indeed a free no obligation trial license so you can try out Adaptable for yourself. Thank you for watching.